pride myself on being a bit of a smart shopper, and by that I mean I don't have a problem spending money. However, I do like to buy things when I'm getting a good deal on whatever it might be. So for me today, I thought that I would show you or ask you, are you a smart shopper and are you already a Nutrimetics VIP? Because the advantage of being a VIP simply means that you are able to buy things when they're on special, and so you're still getting your 20% discount, not off the full price, off the specials price. Tick, I think that's smart shopping. I don't ever buy anything unless it's on special. However, I just wanted to say, how many products do you buy off a supermarket shelf that you could potentially be buying from your own store? And when I say that, I mean your Nutrimetics account, your Nutrimetics VIP membership, your own Nutrimetics account. I just thought I'd show you today some of the things that I haven't shopped in a supermarket for over 30 years. Firstly, washing liquid. Have used this washing liquid for over 30 years. It's got no chalk residue and no cardboard fibre in it. And most of them on the supermarket shelf do have those things that are not good for your skin, and they're certainly worse for your washing machine. Love our washing liquid. Heavy Clean. This product I do put a little bit in with my washing if I know I've got a stain on something, if I really want to brighten things up again, just a little bit, but it's also brilliant for your mould, for your driveway, for grease, for really annexes of caravans or tents, the super duper heavy duty jobs. OLC, we still use this as a shower gel in my house, and I've used it since my daughter was about 2 and she's 35. It is OLC, stands for Organic Lotion Concentrate, based on the yucca plant. 101 different uses for that. There is a video on this product all on its own. To hurry it along, OLC now comes in the baby OLC in a little pump size, so very handy for your house. Cleaning your fruit and vegetables. I will not eat a piece of fruit that needs peeling unless I've washed it. That's just the way it is. Deodorant. The whole family can use this active deodorant, and it will last, each one of these will last 4 to 5 months. Crazy. How many times are you buying the sprays or the roll-ons in the supermarket that you need again in a fortnight? This one will last you a long time. What else? Our After Sun. Our sun care is brilliant. I will honestly back our sun care against any brand on the market, and I say that with all sincerity. Hair mask. If you've got someone with a beard, children with knotty hair, this will, and I love it and use it myself, brilliant for softening up your hair, and the best hair mask. Shower gels. Our shower gels have no animal fats in them. They are all naturally based and they're fruit based. So raspberry, blackcurrant, melon, all those yummy smells. And then men's products. Honestly, men, teen boys, why would you go and look for something in another department store or your supermarket when these are quite often on special and you're getting a discount? Our beautiful apricot soap. Oh my gosh, so many people use this for super sensitive skin or for baby skin. It just smells delectable and lasts for ages. My foundation I'm wearing right now, Cover Rich, gives a brilliant coverage and lasts me for hours. Of course, because I put on our face primer first. Do you know how hard it is to find a matte bronzer? Like a bronzer that doesn't have all this shimmer on it, because as we age, some shimmer's okay, but too much shimmer looks like you fell in the pot. Sustainable makeup brushes. Like seriously, it's hard to find a company that have brushes and the handles are made on a sustainable product. So I could go on, but my point today is just to ask you to think about it when you are shopping in your supermarket shopping. And I don't know about you, but I loathe grocery shopping. It's up there with cleaning the bathroom. However, we've got to eat, so I grab the least off the supermarket shelf as I can. And I love that there are many, many Nutrimetics products in the extensive range that you could potentially be buying and having delivered to your front door and saving money on them. So that's what I call a smart shopper, making the best use of your Nutrimetics membership. Something to think about.